Gladiator Headlight Guards and clear side markers. A perfect match? Yes and no. Good morning, everybody. How are you today? Pretty good here. Let's talk about the Jeep Gladiator Headlight Guards and the clear side markers that I put on a little while back. Are they any good? How are they holding up? And are they the perfect match? Well, let's take a look. First of all, let's start with the Headlight Guards. These came from Rough Country. They just bolt on in the back. I believe there were 3 screws, one in each corner here and then one down on the side. And they just bolt in right where the factory screws are. They actually do come with new screws because you need them to be a little bit longer, but that's it. It's a very simple install. What I like about these, they are a matte black finish. They match the grill and everything I have set up here perfectly, I think. And they're metal, not plastic, so they should hold up. So far, there aren't any chips or dings or any imperfections with them whatsoever, other than being a little bit dirty, you could see. And I think I said Rough Country. These are actually Rugged Ridge. You can see maybe right there, Rugged Ridge. I will leave links down below to both of these, so if you want to check out availability and pricing and all that, you can have a look. But I really like them. Even so much that I've kind of changed my mind about changing out the headlights. I had thought about putting some kind of a halo in or something, which I still like, by the way. But I think a halo on here with the guards would look a little bit strange because the guards would kind of block the halo a little bit, right? And while I'm talking about blocking light, I did have a question on the channel. Somebody asked me if they change the light pattern at all, if they disrupt the light pattern or block anything out of the headlights. And I gotta say, I haven't noticed anything like that, any kind of obstruction of the light or anything like that. And I think it's because the light on a headlight is so bright anyway, but it is open in this big area here where the light kind of shines through, if you will. So I haven't had any problems with that. I haven't noticed any issues whatsoever. Now, let's talk about the side markers. You know, I put clear markers on, and I'm talking about these, of course. And let me show you what they look like. Doesn't show up as well in the light, but there you go. You notice they are amber in color, and you have to have it that way because that's a requirement on the truck. So, not a big deal. They are LEDs under there. My only issue with these is you notice the pattern in the lens itself is different. Here we have stock, and it's kind of this straight across little notch looking like thing. It's kind of hard to describe. And then this one is a little bit different over here. It's more of a diamond shape. You know, when you pay close attention and look at it, obviously it doesn't match up. That's not a huge deal to me, but to be honest with you, it really does catch my eye now and then when I look at it. And I do wish that they would have used the same patterning, the same lens type that Jeep does, or Fiat, Chrysler, and others, on the front of the stock truck. Otherwise, love the look of it. I'll show you on my wife's here. She, of course, has amber. You guys can see right here. And the patterning in this is the same. So if you check that out, it's diamond here, the same as mine on the front. So it's not different as far as that goes. You get the same setup as what I have. Mine are just clear. And then on top of that, hers are amber, obviously. So you do get a big contrast between the two lights anyway. They don't match up anyhow. So I do dig them. I do like them. I'm not a big amber fan. Probably ranks right up there for me with chrome. I would rather get rid of as much amber as I can. And I still have, as I mentioned, the amber lights itself underneath so I can stay compliant. Would I do them again? Yes, I would. I would do both again, particularly the headlight guards. I think those are pretty darn sharp on this truck, and I get a lot of compliments about them too. Anyway, I just wanted to get on here, kind of touch base on those a bit, how they're holding up. Both are just fine, no issues with either one. And I would recommend them, still do like them. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. If you have them or if you're teetering on getting them, what do you think? Do you like them? Also, real quick, if you're interested, I have 2 other channels. Rob Motive, all about my 2020 Toyota Tacoma. And Rob Motive Civic, which focuses on my experiences with the Honda Civic Type R and the Honda Civic Sport Hatch. Check them out. If you like them, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to click that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And do me a favor, smash that subscribe button on the way out. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye.